Welcome to Gravy Boat Cooking and Camping. Today we're going to do a review on the Pathfinder Cookset, and I'm going to show you what comes with the pack, and also what I'm going to add to the pack to make it prepared for all seasons. So straight away we have the it's got a nice tough Kajua bag. Now there's some molly there, molly on the sides, also molly attachment on the back. Now I attach that to the front of my pack, and I'll show you that attached to the front of the pack there, but you can also attach it to the side. I can also attach other things onto this if this was going to be my sling that I was going to take out. It does come with a shoulder strap, shoulder sling, can be disconnected, and you can use that strap or take it off and put it somewhere else if you hook it onto your pack. Let's see what's inside and what comes with it. So straight away, got a lid for the cup. You get a bottle, and then the cup and the pot stand. So cup comes with that little pot stand. All of this nests inside each other. So really, what you're getting here, if you put that on there, is a fairly compact little cook set and a litre of water to take with you. Now you can boil water in this, you can boil water in the cup, you can put that straight in the fire and give the cup something to sit on so that it doesn't just put the coals out underneath it straight away. Let's have a look what else comes with the set. To the side, you also get Pathfinder spoon, fork. You get get a hook set. Now that's, stretch that out, but that's designed to fit into a cup, so you can hang it over the fire. Okay, you can pick it up if it's hot, pick it up out of the fire, but also like this one. Also fits into the bottle. You cannot take that off. So pick the bottle up out of the fire, hang the bottle over, boil your water in there to sterilise your water as well. So benefits there. It comes with that. It comes with a ferro rod, a little striker, so you can there. And it also comes with a little fire lighter kit. Now this comes with, there's probably 6 of them, and they last for about 5 minutes. They're a wax coated cotton. Great for starting a fire in the all weather. Handy to have in there. So that's the Pathfinder Cookset. Now, what else do I also throw in with this kit to make it all fit? So what I've got is, with the cookset, I've purchased a solo stove windshield. I'll show you what that looks like. Comes with a little carry case. Alright, and you can open it up. It opens up quite large. Fit around, keep the wind out, make your burn more efficient, especially if you're using a fire or if you're using an alcohol stove. So that stays in its little carry case. Perfect size for this kit. Put that there. I bought a little solo stove alcohol burner. Now, just a typical alcohol burner there. Methylated spirits, and comes with a little rubber seal on the lid there. So put that back on. Ooh. It's not the Transy one, it's a solo stove one. I probably should have got the Transy one, I don't know. I think they're both the same. I think the Transy one probably is a little bit better at the end of the day. I carry a little pocket knife. It's got the toothpick. Carry a lighter and a bit of duct tape wrapped around the lighter there. You can use that to start fires or to fix your pack, whatever. Now, one of them, because I've also got these things. So, jet boil canister, and this is a Furno 360 stove. Now the lighter I use to light it, but it's from BCF. It's probably about, I think they're between $30 and $40, depending on what sales are on, and it fits in this little box here. So I'll put it away. So it fits in there fairly snugly. Cut there on the top. It is a fairly tight fit, this one. So that's it. That's your stove. Now it's very similar to a probably a jet boil Mighty Mo. I think it's called. This one is controllable, so you can definitely turn it down low. You can turn it up really high. I think they're around 11,000 BTU, so they've got a fair bit of suck behind them once they get up and going. But that's the kit. So I can use alcohol stove, I can use fire under the little cup stand there. I can use gas if I need to. Also, if I've got a pan with me, or if I strap a pan to my shoulder as well, I can cook on this with a pan. So I'll show you how it all packs up. So basically, the cup, this I put straight down the bottom of the pack first, so it goes right down the bottom. I'll push it in. The cup and the pot stand then go in, followed by the bottle. Put the stove stand, solo stove goes down the side like that. I'll put the jet oil canister on top. Probably got a bit more room for other stuff as well, but the rest of it, actually I put the fork down the side there as well. And the rest of this stuff fits in the front, so that actually clips together. Stove goes on one side, my solo stove on the other. I'll put it on top actually. Down there. Like that. Comes here. Holder, lighter, Swiss Army knife. There you go. That's my Pathfinder Cookset. Ready to throw over your shoulder and take out. Cheers. As always, guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you like it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more gear reviews and cooking and camping. Cheers.